Google and other search engines, we want and need more categories and more query parameters so that we have better search results. And better search results leads to better prevention against SEO discrimination. If we have a checkbox in the categories where we can enable only homepages so that we then can have search results from all the homepages, then the visibility to homepages will be better for all internet users and business starters. Having a website is easy, but having real traffic to your website is for the most internet users an illusion. They have to deal with Clickfraud, Trafficfraud, Rankingfraud. If a competitor produces fraud on internet, we can say this is SEO discrimination. Clickfraud is fraud clicks on your ads. It comes from your competitors. Trafficfraud comes from scam companies. They say buy with us and get real traffic. But the true thing is, you get fake traffic or bot traffic. Rankingfraud is if a competitor steals your content and then put it on his high-ranking site. They can easy and faster index it from Google search engines and other search engines. Your site, with that original content, will then be invisible for other users. We can say this is a modern form of copyscape fraud. There are two ways to get real traffic to your website. The first one is, you will need to promote, and you will need to use a Clickfraud prevention company. The second one is you will need to do intensive SEO, so that you can have organic traffic. This is a very long process, and it could take months before you can get results. For internet users and business starters, it is almost impossible to get real traffic. They cannot beat their competitors. These competitors does have already high-ranking sites.